Are you struggling to find a reliable partner for your heavy structural fabrication needs? Introducing a solution designed specifically for those who demand excellence in heavy structural fabrication. Our service combines years of industry expertise with state-of-the-art technology to deliver high-quality, custom fabrication solutions that meet even the most demanding specifications. Whether you need steel beams, custom frames, or intricate designs, we've got you covered. We understand that time is in your projects. That's why we prioritize efficiency and precision in every step of our process. Our skilled team ensures that every piece is fabricated to the highest standards, while our advanced machinery allows us to take on any scale of work with speed and accuracy. With our commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction, you can focus on what you do best, running your business. Our seamless communication and dedicated support mean you'll never feel out of the loop. Contact us today and experience the reliability and quality that will transform your heavy structural fabrication experience. To know more details, visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.